Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And this time we have a surprise watch. I was surprised today in the morning. The postman came and he told me I had to pay like 14 euros for a package from UK. And I was expecting some kind of watch to review or to unbox and review, but I didn't get any information from the guy that was sending to me. So I thought, okay, maybe that's it. So I opened it and I found this box and I said, okay, I'll save the moment and I'll just unbox it. So I'm going blind into this. So basically I usually do unboxing and reviews of watches that I do a little bit of research before, but in this case I have no idea what watch it is. Thought I'd save the, at least I know it's a Boldr. That's something. Some basic stuff, warranty, water resistance, some pictures, some stickers. I like stickers. Maybe I'll ask the guy if I can keep the stickers. Serial number. So basically for the... so we have a... so it looks like it's a blacked out watch from the looks of this parts of the bracelet, which the last reviewer left here. Maybe I'll put them in a bag for the next person. So I really like these one watch cases. They're really handy, especially for small travel. And I'm a big fan of paracord, so I'm always a fan of paracord stuff. So let's get down to opening the watch. Oh, I'm an idiot. I saw here now that the information of the watch is on the side of the box. So we have here the Safari, the model, the Vogelkop Super-Bird of Paradise. So designed by Boldr, reference number SFR SBOP 4020. So it's a 40 millimeters watch, 200 meters of water resistant stainless steel with DLC diamond coating. So at least now we know more information about it, so we can see it as well. Ah, that's the one. Okay, that's a nice one. I really like this one because it's one of these, let's say, I saw it on one to watch channel, Dean, a friend of mine on the channel, and he has this watch and he likes it. I thought it's a really interesting gimmick about all black, like the Moser. Bracelet is nice. Bracelet is good. Let's see. Milled clasp. We have a bit of a, you can see it like a drawing on the case back. That's nice. So we have this system, so we can just remove the bracelet like this, so it's easier to look at the watch case back. Let me get something to, I don't know if you see it or not. It's like a seismic wave. I think that looks like an NH35 maybe. Not sure, I have to do some research. I'll put all the stuff in the description. Now I know the watch, what it is. And yeah, so the dimensions, like I said, I think it was 40 in diameter. It looks like 41, no, 40. Here 40. So lug to lug is 46. Thickness is 12 millimeters, and I think lug width is a 20 millimeter lug width. So it has a hand winding. Let's see, hacking. It has also ghost position, so as position in the middle between hand winding and time setting, which is a feature of the NH35 if you don't upgrade for the NH36, I think, the one without the date and day. Bezel without any markings, two loom pips on the 12 o'clock if you want. I'd leave it on the 3 o'clock, it doesn't matter, because this watch you won't be using in any kind of aquatic activities. Here you go, the loom. We have blue loom. It looks like an adequate loom. I have to test it more to tell you more about it. We have B, I think not etched, but I think engraved in the metal here, and we have like a coin edged crown and bezel as well, so really grippy, so that's something good. Yeah, so like I said, I'll test it out for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, and I'll let you know what I think about the watch. I think it will be a smudge magnet. I'm not sure about the bracelet, but maybe I'll put it on some form of black leather. That would be a nice touch. Anyways, thank you everybody for watching. If you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, this invitation to subscribe. You can find the button in the middle, and you might find videos that you'll like on the left and on the right. Thanks everybody. See you in the next one. Bye bye.